such a nice day today, so I thought I'd do the car. Right, car's, the one seat's done and dried, so that's it all in. It's looking a million times better. Also did this bit yesterday, cleaned all that, so that's all clean, pretty much done. Just got to clean this bit, and now seats have been removed. Yeah, basically all you got is a torque setting on the seat belt there, another one here, another one there, another one there, another one there, one there, one there, and then that whips out. Bottom seat, just all you do is literally tug it right there and on the other one, and then they just pop out. And got the boot carpet out. All this was a bit wet, so I got to sort that out. It's a bit damp, but it's looking a lot better. As you can see, the back seats are nice there, fitted. Got this, which is nice and mouldy and rank. So, as it's such a nice day, nice sunny day in Eastbourne, I've got to clean that as well. Yeah, I'm basically gonna crack on with all these. Right, there's that other one that's all dried. There's a little bit there I've got to carry on doing because it's annoyed me a bit. Got to do this one, and I've got to do that one, and then that one, and then put it all back together. Started cleaning the headlining and that as well, but as you can see, if I show you guys, the dash is all a little bit cleaner. This I've pulled off and getting ready. I've already ordered one of them for a tenner. Whack one of them on there. I could have just got a gear stick, didn't think of that. I might check the other one, see what that one's like, because I've got the cover for that anyway. That's a lot cleaner. Just going to go over it a couple more times just to get it really gleaming and get some plastic spray on it. I've got to do the headlining, which is a bit minging up there. What else? Ordered mats, about 15 quid for the proper custom ones that fit the whole shape of the car, because I hate the aftermarket universal ones. Oh yeah, I got an aerial for that. That's about tenner. And then once this is all cleaned up, I'm going to give it a quick old wash. I'm not going to do a proper thorough wash because I'll be doing that probably maybe on the next video, or probably if it's really boring people watching cars get washed. As you can see, these wheels are well and truly need good old acid clean. I'm going to book it in for an MOT next week and go from there. So anyway, I'll crack on doing this now. Alright, now that's having a bit of a sunbathe. And you got this one, another sunbathe. Might as well chill out in this sunny nice weather. Enjoy the sun while it's here. And finally, at last, the end of the tunnel is nearly near. And this one's done. So now, what we got to do next? Roof lining. So I clean the roof lining. And then once they've had their bit of a tan on them chairs, I clean this out a bit and put some new clean chairs in. Right, let's do that. Give you a quick looks a lot better. Obviously I need the seat mats and that. Done that. Seats all done. These seats are all back in. And then that bit as well.
Can you come back out?
Yeah, look, if you come over this way, it's got to go in this end, down there. Alright. That's it. And then turn it round. That's it, turn it round. So it all goes underneath there. Oh, that's better. What do you reckon? Do you reckon that's good?
Yeah.
Yeah. And look at that, that's a good fit, isn't it? Right, next one. My little princess. There you go.
I'm your helper.
You're being the helper, yeah.
Dad, it's not.
That's it. Turn it round. Nope. I thought you were good at puzzles.
I
It goes that way.
am not good at puzzles.
You're not good at puzzles. What do you reckon?
I'm good at
Do you reckon?
this.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next one.
Wow, that looks nice, doesn't it? Next one.
Now that
What one's that? The car? What should we do? Put the one in the front? That's it. Let's move the old seat for you. And there you go. Shove that one in. Jigsaw puzzle. What way do you reckon it goes? I don't think it goes that way. Oh, you giving up? That doesn't fit like that, does it?
no.
Jigsaw puzzle. Turn it round. It's hanging out the door. Nope, still wrong way round. That's it. Lengthways.
Oh, it's because it's big one.
Yeah, it is a big one. There you go.
Okay, but
Perfecto.
one. Daddy, next one.
That one looks better, doesn't it? And then this side. Cover up all them holes.
By the way.
Look, cover up all them holes. Them holes go this side. So turn the whole thing round. So this time it goes this way. That way.
That way.
Yep, cover all them holes up. That's it. Whoa, look at that. It looks totally different now, doesn't it?
I'm gonna die.
Are you going to drive? Crazy girl. Right, now, what are we going to do now? What's the next thing we're doing? What's the next thing we're going to do, Poppy?
We're doing
Is it this?
watch.
We're going to wash it? Yeah? Alright, come on then. You're enjoying that, aren't you? There you go. There you go, you can record. And then I'll watch you do all the car now. Slave over.
I wish you told me. I would have bought my van for you, please.
Anything in windows. Okay. Oh. Yeah.
I wanted to get bubbled on me.
Yeah.
I got bubbled on me.
So you're getting more on the floor. Yeah, than anywhere else, yeah? Where's your head? Come. You're doing the back bit now, yeah? We're going to put some more water on. More water in it. As you've used it all up, pouring it all on the floor. Right. Guys, it's just been washed, just got to polish it and it'll be done, but Look how much cleaner this looks compared to what it was. Look at that. Just trying to put the old gear stick gator back on, new one. But it's looking so much better. See the back, it's got all the mats in now. Nice clean mats. All the centre bits looking nicer. No mould now, it's all clean. Show you the sides. No mould at all now, look at that. See, front, that's all clean. All the roof lining's all clean. Seats all done now. Nice new mats. There you go, all done. Nice new gear stick gator. Got the blue just to match the blue dash and like the interior obviously. All the seats all done now. Dash is all looking nice and clean. Look at that, much better. All that's all done, all the dials all nice and clean. Seats are all done. Nice mats now, proper light fitted ones. So you can't see them dodgy bloody heels on it. Alright, so car's booked in tomorrow, which will be, what is it? Tomorrow, Tuesday, and what I'll do is I'll check it all over now. Obviously, check all the lights all working, check all the tyres all good, all the bushes all good, no oil leaks, nothing. I'll jack it up and check it all over. Window wipers work, everything's all topped up, and then yeah, we will be taking for MOT. Fingers crossed, all I've got to do is polish this whole car up, and it'll be up for sale. So that's it for now. So next update will probably be on the blue Fiesta, dark blue one, putting the engine in. Anyway, if you like all this content, please like and subscribe, because I've got like 99 point something % that haven't actually subscribed. I've had about 10,000 unique viewers, but I've only got like 300 subscribers or whatever it is. So if you like it or whatever, can you subscribe, because it will be a big help for me, because I'm trying to get to 500. Then after 500 I might actually do some sort of giveaway. Anyway, have a good week guys, and catch you later. Bye.